Papmochani Ekadashi Vrat Katha Story. Every Vedic custom has a reason behind its celebration, as does Papmochani Ekadashi. During the Vedic times, Rishi Chavana lived with his son Medhavi, who possessed bodily strength and beauty. Medhavi always engaged in meditation and austerities in order to keep himself pure in mind and body. As he went on performing austerities, King Indra of heaven could not bear his excellence and sent heavenly beauties such as Apsaras and other enchanting damsels. This was on purpose to break his meditation but produced no results as he was fully absorbed in spiritual bliss. A few days later, an Apsara named Manjughosha entered a hermitage nearby Medhavi. She started singing and chanting songs in the most melodious way. He gradually found himself getting drawn to her, and as his meditation came to a standstill, a Cupid shot an arrow on the order of Indra that aroused pleasure-seeking feelings in him. As a result, he fell in love with her, and all the purities he attained through long meditation faded away. He was lost in her so much that he couldn't realize the passage of time. Years later, she told him that a lot of time had passed and he must leave her. Medhavi returned to his senses, discovering that it was her illusory trick that destroyed all the fruits of his meditation. Angered by her act, he cursed her to become the ugliest woman in the universe. He apologized to his father Rishi Chavana for losing all the strength due to an insignificant act of chasing a woman. Chavana pacified him and said that he must perform Papmochani Ekadashi to get rid of this sin. Also, he advised Manjughosha to do the same. As a result, both of them got cleansed of their sins due to the grace of Lord Vishnu.